Howdy friends, let's talk about how to use amethyst. Amethyst is best used when you feel like you want to feel more peaceful and relaxed. An affirmation you can say to yourself while meditating with a piece of amethyst is, I am at peace, and repeat that 7 times. When you're done, place your piece of amethyst on a nightstand and continue to breathe deeply as you slowly drift off to sleep. Many people enjoy wearing amethyst and jewelry pieces as a way of combating negativity, and if it seems as though negativity seems to find you and weigh you down, try adding amethyst into your accessories or simply keep it in your pocket. Remember that your left hand or your dominant hand is your receiving hand, and your right hand or your non-dominant hand is your giving hand. In the home, amethyst clusters attract abundance and bring new opportunities walking through the door if placed in the business, and amethyst also helps to promote a peaceful office space. You can place it underneath your pillow before you go to bed for a better night's sleep, and you can also use it to help clear the mind, and some say that they have more pleasant dreams as opposed to scary ones when amethyst is nearby. Amethyst can be cleansed with water, or you can bury it in the earth if you feel more drawn to that, or you can also place it in a bowl of salt, or you can use your preferred smoke cleansing method, or as always, you can place it on a piece of selenite.